Hi, welcome to our demo of WellWay. Think about how much time kids today spend glued to screens. It's a concern for many parents. That's why we developed this app, to help families strike a balance. By blending screen time with meaningful tasks, we're not just managing screen time, we're fostering healthier habits and empowering kids to be more productive. WellWay can be used to reshape digital habits and create a brighter and healthier future for the future generation. Let's get started with our demo. Note our application will need to be installed on both the child and the parent's device to work. Therefore, our first page of the application will look like this. Now let's just pretend we're the parent. We'll click on this button. We'll be redirected to a login and sign up page. Both are very similar, so let's just go with the login page since we have an account. Then I'll enter my credentials either by putting it out here or just logging down below and then submitting. Then I'll see my child selection. These are all my children right now. Let's just say I want to manage the task list of my second child, Albert Gator. So I'll click on here. This is the task list for Albert Gator. These are the tasks that I assigned to him, and these are the ones that he completed with the green check mark. So this is the amount of time, screen time, that is allotted for him to use up. Now, he hasn't finished 2 tasks up, but I noticed that there is a red exclamation mark by the camera here. That means my kid has completed this task, but I need to approve it. So let's just click on this. So you can see this is a picture that he has taken. I like it. That means he mowed the lawn, so I'll approve it. So now he's done with 3 tasks. He only has to do 1 more task now. Now let's just say I want to add a new task, right? Then I'll just do add a new task, and then I can edit this task right here, and then add a task itself. I can also change the time, and that would all that I would need to do for this adding new task. Then let's just say I want to change the preferences for the specific child. What do I mean by that? Let's just say there's certain categories that you want to restrict or limit or have full approved for your children to use. For education and government, let's just say I want to have my kid to have full approved access to government education websites and applications, and I'll put a green mark for all of them. But I want to limit the ones for social media for both for our websites and applications, and I'll use this. And now let's just say I want for my chat only the website to be restricted completely, but application I have limited access, and then gambling, no access at all. So now for the yellow ones, what happens is that since this is a limited access, what will happen if a kid tries to access a social media site, they'll see this page that shows up. Finish some tasks to access this app. So the kid will only be able to access this app only if they finish those tasks up. And again, we can save these changes, and then that would be all for that Albert Gator child. Now let's just say I want to add a new child, then I'll basically create an account, name, phone number, and then generate a token. This token can be used for the child account. Let's just go and back to our child account. So then as a child, I'll click on this. I'll put in the token that's generated from my parent's account, and then I'll see this on my end as a child. The tasks, the ones that are approved, that I have completed. So let's just say I did not complete mode 1, right? Then what I would do is I'll complete the task, and then I will take a picture, upload it here, submit it, and then this will directly go to my parent's account. And then I can check it off on my end so that way I know which task I need to complete still. And that's pretty much how you use WellWay. Thank you for joining for our demo.